How to deal with electronic waste by rotary carbonization furnace. Please don't throw away diesel extrusion. We could help you to reuse it and achieve higher value. Feeding into rotary carbonization furnace. You could get aluminum after carbonization, because there are plastic or other materials in the outside of electronic waste. You could get pure aluminum after high-temperature carbonization. All the smoke will be purified through the purification system. The purified gas is burned to continue heating furnace. The main reason is smokeless during production, energy saving and environmental protection, cooling and pressing this end product. You could sell it to the aluminum factory. We will share more videos with you later.